Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be installing the Elevate lowering springs. So in the previous videos you saw me install the intake manifold and I'm extremely pleased with the results. It looks great, performs well too. The car is now ready for more mods. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to do it. For some people they might find it a bit harder, but it is manageable if you have the tools to do so. As you can see, I removed the whole strut assembly, so everything is loose here, and I put it over there. So you can see Elevate's parts, they're identified. You have the front and the rear, but you don't need them if you have actually done the job before. They are not the same shape. So right now what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be compressing the springs with these tools, so there's no more tension here, so I can remove the top hat. Once that's removed, I can remove the spring and put the brand new one. I have to say I'm extremely pleased with the quality. The paint finish is really nice. It's nice as well that they took time to identify it, so it's easier to install and you don't get confused. I'm gonna make sure to put some before and after comparison as well, and keep in mind that they have maybe a week or two of normal use, so they can settle to their final fitment. There you go. So it's removed from the strut, and look at the difference. Obviously both of them are completely decompressed, so this is like a hand worth of difference. You need to keep in mind that stiffness, rebound, the material properties have a big play on like fitment and height, right? So obviously it doesn't mean I'm gonna lower the car but like a hand worth, but it's still a drastic difference. I really can't wait. I'm gonna install it right away, put it back on the car, and then tackle the rear. Now that both fronts are installed, it's pretty hard to see, it's dark in there. We're gonna be doing the rear, and this section is by far the easiest. So you can check, there's this arm here, the spring sits inside of here, and there's only one bolt. So I put a transmission jack, remove the bolt, lower this slowly, put the new spring, and that's all there is to it. So those are the rear springs. Same principle applies. So you can see shorter, different shape. There you go. Both rears are installed. Beautiful. And you can see the Elevate sway bar that I installed it as well. Same on this side. The only downside of having Elevate parts is the fact that you don't get to see them every time you're driving because they're underneath the car. Otherwise, quality is amazing. Fitment or working on them, it's practically the same as working on OEM parts. Beautiful. The instructions are amazing with pictures, nice text, tell you what tools to use. There is nothing honestly to say about it other than go get them. And here is the final result. You can check, it's still gonna settle within 2-3 weeks of usage. And one thing that is important to note, right now my winter setup is using Replica's Pegasus, and the offset is horrendous, and the fitment as well. So it's not the problem of the springs but my wheels. I will put pictures of this same exact setup with the Elevate springs literally 10 minutes before this video I'm taking right now, with my next winter setup, which will be 20-inch Polestar wheels. I'm not able to install them right now, unfortunately, because I don't have proper winter tires in 20-inch, and those that I have right now only have one season left, so I'm just gonna last those, and next season I'm gonna install them. And you can see with the Elevate springs, even if it's not settled right now, it still looks amazing. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked the install. I always try to show you guys how I do it perfectly. It's very hard for me to show you while I'm doing it. I don't want to just set up the tripod and start talking while you guys don't actually see it. If you have any questions, as always, feel free to ask any questions down below, leave comments, criticism, whatever you feel like doing. And I hope you can leave me a like and subscribe for the next videos. Thank you guys, and bye bye.